stand out, but you won't realize your dreams are gone.
Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Tactical Fishing, and we're about to get popping. We're here at Dutchman Creek along this nice sandy strip, and we're about to get it going. We're going to start off first with what I call the Cinderella. It's a Colorado blade, silver, dark. This one makes a lot of noise. If you ever see the fat blades, it makes a lot of noise for dark visibility. And also a KVD swim bait. We're about to see what it do. These baits, the Colorado blade is very simple. You just basically reel it in, and I'm just speeding it through. Basically, just reel it in how you want it. If you want to reel it slow, reel it slow. Fast, reel it fast. I mean, I've caught one of my biggest spots I've caught on this, and two big spots I caught on this Colorado blade, you know. So it works good, and if the water's really mucky, the fish can't see it, so all they hear is the sound and they see the flash, so they gun for it. They think it's a fish. It's a good bait to use to throw in dark situations. I like it. See what Dutchman Creek gives us today, guys. Alright, we're gonna do one more cast with the Colorado. See what it do. Alright, we're gonna switch her up from the Colorado blade. Guys, we're gonna keep it going with the Rage Swim on a 3/0 hook. We're gonna see what we can get on the ground. I just throw it out, let it sink all the way to the bottom. All the way to the bottom. And I just give it a couple pops. 1, 2, let it sit. 1, 2, 3, let it sit. 1, 2, let it sit. 1, 2, 3. Now reel it in. 1, 2, let it sit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I do that all the way in, man. Let's see what's popping down this way. Good to throw close to the bank. That's where most of the small fish are, and the big fish are looking to chomp on some helpless little fish. Let's see. Especially one that's just popping at the bottom, what I'm doing. Alrighty. Righty tighty. Let's get back out there and see what we can do. That bait go all the way to the bottom. See what it do. Great view. It's time to pop some bass. See what Dutchman Creek gives us today. This bait's simple to use, man. You can pop these, swim it slow, swim it fast, drag it at the bottom. You can do all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try dragging it at the bottom. Let's see what that does. Let that go all the way to the bottom. It's good to switch up techniques and stuff. How you reel it in all depends on the fish. You know what they want, how they want it. If they want to feed at the bottom, they want to feed at the top, in the middle. So all depends on them. So you want to pop it. Make sure it stays at the bottom. Pop it 3 times. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And that bait sink to the bottom. Long pauses. Let it sink at the bottom. And I just drag it. Now I just drag it. Give it some pops. I'm keeping it at the bottom. Real light pops. Make sure it's falling to the bottom. And you just keep it going. Till someone wants to take a strike. All right, we'll give it one more heave ho. We're just gonna burn it this time. Kind of gonna burn it across the water. Different retrieves work for different fish. Different retrieves. It all depends on how these fish want it. All right, we're gonna move on to the Bandito Bug Pure Passion made by Guggen Baits with a light cover jig for jumping over logs and little branches and stuff. So we're gonna see what the ground and pound action is like. I got a heavy jig on. That thing goes straight to the bottom. Straight to the bottom. All the way down. And what I do with the jig, basically just pop it. Let it sit real light pops. Just pop that bait. Just let that thing hit the bottom. Just brushing the bottom of this. So if any fish is looking to munch and crunch at the bottom, you'll see this jig, this bandito bug. It's a nice little bug. That black looks good. It's like a little bug at the bottom. Little bug. All right, we're gonna get on to throwing the bait. Another Guggen bait, Pure Passion, the worm, on a weighted on a 2-aught hook. Let's see what we can get out of Dutch with the worm. Throw that bad boy out. Let it sink all the way to the bottom. That bait sink to the depths. Check the line, see if they got any hits. And just pop it. I'll give it 2 light pops. Just light pop it. Work that bait all the way in. And it's a good bait used for search for fish. Very subtle presentation. Very, very subtle presentation. And we're gonna work this Colorado a little bit more. Let's see what's out here. Gonna see what we can get out here. I just heard something bust. All right, we're gonna see what's down this way. Hey, what's up, guys? Today was productive. Did really good. Used the Colorado blade and searched for some Colorado blade fish. Did some jigging, worming, and so on and so. Until next time, remember,